You see, bees play a crucial role in cross-pollination, which is vital for the health of our food system. When bees visit flowers, they collect pollen, and as they move from one bloom to another, they transfer that pollen. In fact, this process is essential for fertilizing many plants, which leads to the production of fruits and seeds. However, it is not just honeybees that are important. Wild bees also contribute significantly to this process. Some plants actually rely on specific bee species to ensure proper pollination. Suddenly, if bee populations decline, we face the risk of lower crop yields and less variety in our diets. So it is clear that protecting these hardworking pollinators is vital for both our food supply and the overall health of ecosystems.